Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve offline on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.